I have been on a bit of a train kick lately. Recently, we visited the newly revitalized East Broad Top Railroad. But what would a trip to Rockhill be without also visiting the Rockhill Trolley Museum? We had the girls with us who found a train set to play with while they waited for the trolley. John was interested in the artifacts, and well, I was doing a little retail therapy, but then finally, the time came for us to get on the trolley. We were all very excited to get underway, but first, Evie was treated to a trolley bell lesson.
Okay, now this is the horn. Wait a minute, this is the horn. You pull it that way.
Oh, go
pull
ahead.
it that way. Okay.
After everyone took their seats, we were underway. We were riding in car 163, which was built in 1924 and was previously owned by the York Railway Company. Now, believe it or not, this car used to be someone's fishing cabin. But after Hurricane Agnes hit in 1972, the cabin owners sold their humble abode, fairly inexpensively, to the Trolley Museum.
But we had to rebuild it because it didn't have any seats, didn't have any electrical equipment. It was just an empty shell filled with mud. And so it took quite a few years, I think it was 17 years, just finding parts all over the place.
The trolley uses about 1.5 miles of the EBT Shade Gap line. This stretch of railroad treats riders to beautiful scenery and rolls them past the remnants of the old Juniata iron furnace. Is it fun?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
What's it like?
It's really bumpy.
It's really bumpy. The girls had a great time, but we weren't done just yet. After our ride, we had the opportunity to see what else was happening at the museum and even got to meet its president.
So we're standing in front of car 172, which came in basically to repaint the roof, but some other things have happened as well. You might notice the windows are missing here on this end, so we decided to freshen up the car a little bit here and there.
But this isn't the only car in the restoration shop. This is car 315. It was built in 1909 and used to belong to the Chicago, Aurora, and Elgin Railroad.
In 1961, they sold the car to us. Everything in here was painted blue, and in this corner then you can see a sample of the blue paint. Everything, this inlay wood was covered over. They even painted the stained glass windows. They left them in, but they were all blue. The ceiling was a cream colored. So when we started really getting serious about this car, we started stripping all the paint off the walls, revealing all the mahogany paneling and the inlay wood. The ceiling panels we had built new as well. One of our volunteers is very talented in woodworking. We've been working on it steady now since 2016.
What would you say if someone said you could run a trolley?
One of our experiences that we offer is called the Run a Trolley, where anybody can actually sign up in advance and actually get a basic instruction on how the trolley operates, and you actually get to run the trolley then.
The Rockhill Trolley Museum is 100% volunteer run, and they're always looking for folks to come aboard. So if you'd like to play with real-life trolleys, check out their website at rockhilltrolley.org. We'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And for even more fun tales, please go to our website at www.thefunchasers.com.